everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are now watching a video that's part of a larger playlist about accessing Zoom and Canvas when you're going to remote learning online. I am C.R. Grimmer. This is my channel, The Poetry Vlog. You can like and subscribe to keep up with these how-to videos, or check out my other content, which is mostly interviews with poets, artists, activists, and scholars.
Hey, this is Jake. This is a really quick video that I wanted to show about what a student may see on their phone when they're using Zoom, when you share a screen, when you have your regular meeting, when you send the student towards to a breakout room. I just want to show what those images on their screen may look like. If they look any different than this, feel free to let me know, but this is what, as I tested each of these, this is what it has looked like for me. So I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you each of the images that I've pulled up. The first image that you can see here would be a regular Zoom meeting. If I click on my screen, I'll get a set of toolbars that show up down here in kind of the bottom of my screen. This set of toolbars will be things along the lines of mute, share content, stop video, participants chat, right? So the same things that we get in a regular meeting. This image in the center here, this is in this case, the host. That's me as the host meeting. The image up in the upper right is the image of me as the participant. So that will just help guide your students a little bit. The next image, if you shared a whiteboard with the students. So again, in the upper right corner, you can see that there is a image for me. That's me as the participant watching the scene. Then we have in the middle, the whiteboard that the instructor or participant is sharing. And then you can see down at the bottom here, what I described before, you have your participants share content video, that's your toolbar, but also you get this awesome pencil. So if the instructor says that you should annotate the text or you should annotate on the whiteboard, you can do so. You won't be able to add text. You can draw, I believe you can add shapes, but you cannot add text. Next image after that is what happens when you bring students into a breakout room. Well, again, my main image is the host. My upper right image is me. And I was just informed as a student that I can be brought into a breakout room. I could say join, I could say later, right? But this is just to show you what that will look like. Once I click join on my phone, I get this image. This will tell me that I'm going to that breakout room. Once this finishes loading, I'll be in the breakout room, and let me show you what that looks like. Here is the breakout room. Looks similar to a regular Zoom meeting. You have your toolbar in the bottom corner here, or the bottom of the screen. And you also have a really nifty, useful button right here called Ask for Help. This is a way for people on phones, but also you can do this on your computer, to ping the instructor to come to your breakout room. So that is where it's located if a student is using a phone in a breakout room. All right. Lastly, if you close a breakout room, this is the notification that I get on my phone. It will start counting down and I can leave. I will get the same image as this, but the inverse. It's telling me that I'm leaving and going back to the main meeting. And that's it. Those are a couple of the images that students may encounter on their phones. I'm using an iPhone. I have not iPhone 10, an iPhone 8. But this might just give you a general sense of how to best respond to students if they're commenting on something they see on their phones. Thank you. See ya.